Is your YouView box stuck in an endless loop of system updates or maintenance procedures? You're not alone. This is a common issue affecting many users, especially after software updates. Let's start by understanding what maintenance mode actually is. Here's a typical YouView set-top box that many users have in their homes. Maintenance mode is a diagnostic state where your YouView box performs essential background tasks to keep the system running smoothly and securely. During maintenance mode, your YouView box performs several critical tasks. It downloads and installs software updates and security patches to keep your system current and secure. It also runs comprehensive system diagnostics to check for errors and potential problems, ensuring your box operates reliably. The system optimizes its database and refreshes channel lineups to ensure you have access to the latest programming and features. However, several factors can cause your YouView box to get stuck in maintenance mode, creating an endless loop that prevents normal operation. The most common cause is interrupted software updates. When power outages or network disconnections occur during an update, the system can become stuck trying to complete the process. Corrupted system files from incomplete downloads can also trap your box in maintenance mode as it repeatedly tries to repair or replace damaged files. Network connectivity problems prevent proper communication with YouView servers, leaving your box unable to complete maintenance tasks or verify updates. Hardware malfunctions affecting memory or storage components, as well as overheating problems, can cause system instability and maintenance mode loops. The troubleshooting process can be complex, as shown in this diagnostic flowchart. Multiple factors can interact, making it challenging to identify the exact cause of maintenance mode loops. Understanding these causes is the first step to resolving maintenance mode problems. In the next section, we'll explore specific troubleshooting methods and proven solutions to get your YouView box working normally again. Now that we understand what causes maintenance mode loops, let's explore proven methods to get your YouView box working again. We'll start with basic troubleshooting steps that resolve most issues. The first approach is basic reset procedures. These simple steps resolve about 60 to 70% of maintenance mode loops and should always be your starting point. Step 1 is the power cycle. Unplug your YouView box from the power outlet and wait exactly 30 seconds. This clears temporary system errors and allows the device to reset completely. Step 2 is the network reset. Disconnect your Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi connection for 2 full minutes. This forces the box to re-establish communication with YouView servers when reconnected. Step 3 is the factory reset. Hold the standby button on your remote for 8 seconds during startup. This restores the box to its original settings while preserving your recordings. After completing these basic steps, allow 2 to 4 hours for automatic recovery. The box needs time to download updates and rebuild its system files. If basic resets don't work, we move to advanced recovery techniques. These methods have an 80 to 85% success rate, but require more technical knowledge. First, try Safe Mode Boot. Press and hold specific button combinations during startup to access diagnostic mode. This bypasses corrupted system files and allows manual recovery. Second, manual firmware recovery involves accessing hidden diagnostic menus. These menus allow you to force firmware downloads and repair corrupted system partitions. Third, network configuration reset clears all stored network credentials and forces the box to rebuild its connection settings from scratch. When all DIY methods fail, it's time for professional intervention. You have several options depending on your box's warranty status and the severity of the problem. First, check your manufacturer warranty. Many YouView boxes come with 2 to 3 year warranties that cover maintenance mode issues caused by hardware failures. Second, professional repair services can diagnose and fix component-level problems. This is often more cost-effective than buying a new box. Third, YouView Technical Support offers escalation procedures for persistent problems. They can perform remote diagnostics and coordinate with manufacturers. Finally, replacement unit programs are available for chronic problems. Many providers offer discounted or free replacements for boxes with recurring maintenance mode issues. To prevent future maintenance mode loops, maintain a stable power supply with surge protection, ensure reliable internet during updates, and perform regular system maintenance, including periodic restarts. These troubleshooting methods, from basic resets to professional intervention, provide a comprehensive approach to resolving YouView maintenance mode loops. Start with the simplest solutions and progress through more advanced techniques as needed.